How's everyone doing? So this was the buying zone yesterday, if you remember this point. So it was really perfect, right? So yesterday my criteria was this was the rejection point and this was the buying zone, and I was only interested in getting longs once we move above these two white lines or the yellow box. So for today, right? Let's see. We move back to where our target was on Friday. If you remember this 504, so we are at that point. Basically, if you look at it from this point, we have 7 minutes till the market opens. Just look at it. This was our criteria on Thursday. Look how perfect it was. And the next one on Friday, okay, and on Monday, each one of them were perfect. So watch how on a higher time frame, watch how precise this is. On an hourly time frame, buying zone, buying zone, buying zone, buying zone. So basically, let's move to a minute's time frame. Okay. Overall, I'm not interested in getting shorts, taking any shorts. Hello, Ultra Plus Trades. How are you doing? Hello, Mario. How are you, buddy? So, 504 को let's remove 504 and ये ड्रॉ करते हैं 557 and 5 let's 557 540 557.4 540.9 okay, we will minus 300. Let's go for minus 300. अगला जो है the next one is the price which is going to be relevant अगला जो price है which is going to be relevant for today is very close 530 and 515. Okay, I'm gonna watch how the price reacts to this point. Overall, I'm not interested in shorts at all. Like no, I'm 1% भी interested नहीं हूँ मैं इसको sell करने में. I'm not interested in selling this as long as we are above these two white lines. So basically what the price can do today, either to move up. Okay, so कल का हमारा basically the yesterday's criteria, overall higher time frame criteria is as long as we are above this 145, this price, you see this price 145. So this is the price which is the breaking point of the uptrend. तो अगर हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि we are, I can only take swing longs. This was the criteria, right? Okay, I can only take swing longs from these points, no swing shorts. So I can day trade it short, but not swing short. Basically, I cannot hold a short trade for longer periods as long as we are above. So we have a lot of confluences for the bulls. So I'm more in favor of the bulls than bears. So either we are going to come back to this point, we'll see when the market opens within 2 minutes, but overall I'm interested in getting longs than shorts. So this is the basic game plan. Take a note of this point, the high and the low of this news. We had news at 8:30. We have 1 minute till the market opens. We are gapping up. We are gapping up from where we gapped the previous day on Monday, right? So gap within a gap towards the upside. Twenty seconds. 20 seconds. The market is open. News highs and lows. Take a note of those areas. News highs and news lows. This area is important for today. You see this point. This whole area below the basically below the gap. This is the news highs. The first minute is about to close. Don't get in a rush. It can move up, but I know not favorable good risk to reward ratio, low probability, and FOMO. So wait. News highs ले लिए. Taken out the news highs. We have taken out the news highs and the news lows. The first 5 minutes is closed. The new 5 minutes. प्लीज़ भाई आप कन्हा से हो। यार मैं दुबई में होता हूँ बेसिकली पाकिस्तान से बैकग्राउंड से। ये हमारा बाय जोन था। स्टिल आई एम नॉट दैट कॉन्फिडेंट ये इस जगह पे वापस आएगा। इट्स गोना कम बैक टू 523 वन मोर टाइम probably. The first 5 minutes is closed. विंद्रा भारती भाई बता दो अकाउंट कैसे खोलना है। आप इंडिया में हो, सो इट्स कमिंग बैक टू दिस पॉइंट 522 पे जैसे बोला था ये वापस आएगा। इट हैज़ केम बैक टू दिस पॉइंट, बट क्या मैं शॉर्ट कर सकता हूँ? आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू गो शॉर्ट। सही है। आप XNS पे अकाउंट खोल सकते हो। ये थोड़ा सा इधर से अगर दोबारा रीगेन करेगा इस टेरिटरी को तो आई एम गोना ट्राई टू बाय दिस। ओ इसकी तो लेट हो गया यार। XNS यार मैंने असल में मेरा इधर पोजीशन बनता था बाय करने के लिए, लेकिन ये मिला नहीं, फिल नहीं मिला, तो एकदम से ऊपर चले गया। इसीलिए स्टॉप भी मेरा टाइट है एंड एवरीथिंग इज टाइट। 15 पॉइंट्स का सिर्फ एम कर रहा हूँ। ये वाला मेरा पुराना ही बाय जोन था। मेरा पोजीशन यहाँ बनता था। 15 पॉइंट्स मेरा रिस्क नहीं था पहले, 5 पॉइंट्स रिस्क था। नाउ इट हैज़ इंक्रीज्ड इटसेल्फ टू 15 पॉइंट्स। सो सिर्फ 15 पॉइंट्स अभी एम कर रहा हूँ। आई नीड अनदर 5 मिनट्स ताकि मैं दोबारा दूसरी ट्रेड ओपन करूँ। अभी मैं इस जगह को टारगेट कर रहा हूँ फ़िलहाल के लिए। मैं भी ये ट्रेड बंद कर रहा हूँ. आई डोंट लाइक दिस. I'll buy it again नीचे से थोड़ा सा. I'll try to buy it again from like beneath this point. It should not have stayed here as it has that mine like 2 or 3 minutes. So I'm expecting a quick scalp. It still can go. विंद्रा भारती, हाँ यार थोड़े पैसे भी लगा सकते हैं. No, oh god, now it's gonna move back to my. Okay, it's this is still a buy zone. Okay, this is still a buy zone. I'm just waiting for basically 15 minutes to close. I'm waiting for 15 minutes to close, then I'll try to buy it again. थोड़े पैसे भी लगा सकते हैं, ज़्यादा पैसे भी लगा सकते हैं. ये परसेंटेजेस होती हैं. किसी भी चीज़ का 100% का हिसाब होता है, पैसों का हिसाब नहीं होता. मतलब आप परसेंटेजेस में हिसाब रखते होते हैं. बड़े कम पैसों के अंदर, कैपिटल के अंदर बात नहीं होती है. आपके अगर $100 लगाए हैं, $1000 लगाए हैं, आप अगर परसेंटेजेस में सोच रहे हैं कि इसका इतने % बना रहे हैं, देन डजेंट रियली मैटर. $55. Yeah, can still buy this. Just putting my stop loss at 40. Again, ये तो 1 minute left, फिर मैं बाय कर सकता हूँ. कितना रिस्क है? 37, 37, 39, 50. 16 points risk. Nice. Did I miss it? Here. यार what the fuck, bro? Damn it. खैर ये वापस आएगा. Not that easy. हम लोग जो है we can come back to, हाँ, 50%. Wait a minute. If I come back to the 50% of the, खोलने के चार्जिंग भी नहीं, बस जो पैसे आप डलवा देते हो ना उसके अंदर वही पैसे होते हैं, चार्जेस कोई भी नहीं होते. जब आप ट्रेड लेते हो उसके चार्जेस होते हैं फिर, मतलब वो भी टके के लिहाज से होते हैं, बहुत कम होते हैं. 50% ऑफ द ओपनिंग रेंज गैप. वी कमिंग बैक टू द 50%, बट नो शॉर्ट्स. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन शॉर्टिंग दिस, बट ये है कि ये इधर तक आने का चांस रखता है. इट कैन स्टिल कम बैक टू दिस पॉइंट, बट मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन लॉन्ग्स देन शॉर्ट्स. तो इट कैन कम बैक. 50% आ सकता है, पर मैं ध्यान रख रहा हूँ कि यार हम लोग जो है ना उस पे आए. हम लोग इधर ओपन हुए 50%, 50%, दैट वुड बी इक्वल टू समवेयर अराउंड हेयर, इधर कहीं. लेकिन पहले ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि हम लोग किस जगह पे सपोर्ट हमें मिलती है. तो हम लोग what we are gonna do is we are gonna look for a area of interest below us now. Okay, so the area of interest below us is 50% of the opening range gap. शायद देखा इतना जल्दी डायरेक्शन भी चेंज हो सकता है. yes, 50% of the opening range gap. We have come to this point. I need a little more, I need a little more towards the downside more. फिर उसके बाद हम लोग ऊपर की तरफ जाएंगे. तो हमारा जो है ऐसा करो कि ये इस पे ध्यान रखना. 481. So yeah, no shorts. Yes, it's coming down, but no shorts. हम लोग, मैं इस जगह पे दोबारा कर सकता हूँ, जब इसके ऊपर जाएंगे रीटेस्ट करेंगे दोबारा इस जगह पे स्टॉप लॉस नीचे रख के बाय कर सकता हूँ. दैट्स एक क्राइटेरिया. दूसरा क्राइटेरिया जो हमारे पास है वो नेक्स्ट क्राइटेरिया आता है हमारा 481 से लेकर हमारा 454. 481, 454. Okay. अगर ये इधर से भी ऊपर जाने लग जाता है आई ट्राई टू बाय इट बट it's not showing any such signs of strength, so I'm watching if the price comes to this point and show me some sort of a strength. ये overall criteria, I'm more interested in getting longs than shorts, so I am assuming right now, because I that's only I can do is to assume, right? So my assumption for now is that this is the fake out and we are going to move towards the upside. When the price comes to this point, I'll try to buy it with validation or confirmation. So ये वाला भी buy zone है, ये वाला भी buy zone है, दोनों both are the buy zone. Depends on the price कि मुझे price कौन सा offer करती है, in a sense के ये भी area of interest है, ये वाला भी area of interest है, but I can only go long. तो I am only looking for validation. अगर यहाँ से validation मिल जाए, if you move above this point, तो I'll try to buy it, putting my stop loss below. As we are moving down, तो I'm looking at this point now. Okay, if we get some sort of now, exact now, like this area where we are now, the low of this point, low of this, okay, $461, the other one $461. Hey, come, 461, 461, 462. Let's go for 462. Okay. So yeah, this is basically our buy zone. I'm looking for confirmation, then I'll try to buy it again, aiming for this point 538 first. अगला जो aim करूँगा उसके बाद मेरा अगला वाला जो aim होगा, it's gonna be the high of the day. So ध्यान रखना कि चॉप भी हो सकते हो, that's not a problem. पेपर कट्स लग सकते हैं, but this is how the market is responding and this is मेरा अभी का game plan. Just gonna try it again. अगर मैं चॉप अप हो गया तो इट्स ओके, बट ये है कि मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. आई टेक 1 or 2 पेपर कट्स. अगर ये हमें 28 सेकेंड्स के अंदर इफ़ वी मूव बिलो दिस पॉइंट तो फिर मैं इस ट्रेड को क्लोज कर दूंगा. लास्ट 5 minutes. आइडियल केस ये रहेगा कि इफ़ वी मूव अबव दिस ब्लू बॉक्स देन दैट वुड बी द आइडियल केस फॉर द बुल्स. के नैरेटिव विल बी द सेम, मतलब नैरेटिव हमेशा सेम रहेगा, बट नैरेटिव तब चेंज होगा इफ़ वी मूव बिलो दिस ग्रीन बॉक्स. देन मैं फिर थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखूंगा बाय करते वक्त. I can get chopped up, that's not a problem, but still I had to, because मुझे यहाँ से पहला वैलिडेशन या कंफर्मेशन मिला तो We have 3 minutes. जब hourly close हो जाएगा तो we can expect some sort of a volatility. Either it's gonna knock me out completely or it's gonna just hit my take profit. So ideally speaking, मुझे अपना lot size increase करने के लिए ये चाहिए कि I want the price to move above this box. तो पहला ये टारगेट होगा, अगली ट्रेड लूंगा तो I will put my stop loss below the box. That's the least I can do, putting my stop loss at break even. यार मुझे ये है कि this is what I should do. If it knocks me out, I'm up 15 points, so that would be really frustrating, but still. Last minute till the hourly close. I hope I don't get knocked out. Oh ho ho. Because ये जगह से reject भी हो सकते हैं हम लोग. We can get rejection from this blue box. I want the price to use this as support, not use this as a fucking ceiling. Ooh. I am basically 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio मेरा complete हो गया है. I'm already, मतलब I could have closed this on 1-to-1, but I'm not gonna. अहमद कैसे हो यार? I hope within 5 seconds either I'm gonna knocked out or it's gonna hit my TP. So I'm just basically risking now $40 to make $80 without risk any. मेरा अपने अकाउंट से रिस्क नहीं हो रहा ये तो. No, knock me out, bro. Please, Nasdaq. यार अगर ये ब्लू बॉक्स से ऊपर चले जाए ना तो मतलब मज़े हो जाए मज़े. लेकिन ये है ना कि इस जगह से रिजेक्शन ले रहा है एंड आई डोंट लाइक इट. आई डोंट लाइक प्राइस गेटिंग रिजेक्टेड फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. गधे के बच्चे ऊपर. ओ यार ये देख. It's still gonna come towards up. It's gonna move up, right? That's the whole criteria. But it's gonna knock me out. Oh no. Because of this, पहले hourly जो closing दी है ना, घंटे की closing की volatility होती है, उसकी वजह से बड़ा मुझे नॉकआउट करेगा फिर जाएगा. हालांकि नैरेटिव पूरा सेम है, लेकिन ये पहले ना मेरे अंदर थोड़ी सी उंगली देगा. ओह नहीं. यार जस्ट मूव अबव द ब्लू बॉक्स. यार ये रिजेक्ट कर रहा है उस जगह से. देख लो. It's gonna move up. I know it's gonna move up, but still it's gonna knock me out. Then it's gonna move up. Risk, yeah, चलो कोई बात नहीं. I'm gonna take the next trade from this point, right? गधे का बच्चा ये देखना अभी इधर तक आएगा. You watch now. Watch. If we move above this point, I'm gonna take another trade. तो यहाँ से हम लोग फिर बाय करेंगे, फिर मैं दोबारा ऊपर लेके जाऊंगा. लेकिन ये अच्छा वाला ट्रेड था. मेरा अगला ट्रेड जो आ रहा था ना उसका रिस्क कवर हो जाता. ये देखो. Now watch it go. Take. मदरफकर. देख लो इसको. आइडियल इस पे. हाँ ये वही बात खत्म हो गई यार. शिट. खैर ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. इन अ सेंस मैं दोबारा ट्रेड लूँगा. मेरा असल में ये सीन था कि अगर इफ़ ये मेरा टेक प्रॉफिट कवर करता है. इनिशियली मैं 40 रिस्क कर रहा था. 80 मेरे पास आते ना तो मैं फिर 80 ले लेता और अगली ट्रेड जो मेरे पास यहाँ पे आती ना उसके अंदर मैं उसके अंदर फिर 40 रिस्क करता. तो बेसिकली वो रिस्क फ्री होता. मेक इट फुल इंग्लिश ब्रो. Bro, your name is Ahmed. Where are you from? Oh God. Oh no. Oh my God. See, I was saying, KRE, it's so, market is so schizophrenic, bro. Sometimes frustrates the fuck out of you. So, yeah, basically, Ahmed, I'm saying I wanted the price to move above this yellow box. It always do exactly as I say, but it sometimes becomes so moody. And I don't. Okay, so it's gonna come back to this point, use this as support, and I'm supposed to buy it here, but I'm. Oh. Okay, so this was my target. I'm not interested in getting shorts. And so this was my target, right? कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है. Okay, the market is going to use this as support again and move back up. This point 537. Chale ja, I know you're gonna go there, and it's not so. Fuck. Bro, I'm so fucking frustrated for some reason. Now, it was going very smooth, but it, like, at 7 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, it just came back for me specifically. So, 37 was my target. Okay, you're from Turkey. Nice. Bro, I'm from Dubai. Basically, I'm from Pakistan, but born in Pakistan, living in. Okay, so it's gonna move back up to this point now. So this was the area I would have tried to buy it again. This was my next trade. Move back up to 557 again. गधे का बच्चा. Mario, no, Mario, if you think about it, if you study ATR in it of itself, right? So you'll see a spike on every hour and every 4 hours, right? So that spike is what this is. You see, the volatility is increased, whichever and also what ICT says. I'm not a big fan of ICT, but obviously he has paid a lot of attention all these years, so he has come up with some observations, right? So he will say macro 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after, but no, it's just the hourly closing, and that's the hourly ATR. So what ATR is going to do at the end of the cycle, the ATR is going to spike towards the wrong direction. So this was the spike towards the wrong direction. You see this, all of these candles are intact towards the upside, but that was the fake out because it's out of the norm. That is what injection means. This was the criteria for buying. This was the buying criteria. So ये है कि I'm not interested in shorts. I'm already told you before the stream as it was moving sharply down. So keep that in mind. And the other criteria, हमारे पास जो next criteria था, we are gonna come back to the 50% of that box. We have come back to the 50% of that box. So it's perfect, bro. But am I in it? Did I did I make money on this trade? No, because it fingered me a little bit, Okay, so we have as I'm looking to go basically overall. I'm not looking to go long now, definitely. Okay, if I were to go long, I would put my stop loss below 515. So keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. I'm not interested in shorts. I'm using this box as a floor, as I was using these two lines and this green box as a floor. So as this is the criteria, was the narrative. You can see this as a bull flag and move it back up towards this point. Okay. Mario, check this out. As I am not interested in swing shorts, keep this in mind. As I'm not interested in swing shorts, so what would I be looking towards? I'm looking towards standard deviations towards the upside, right? So two standard deviations equate to how many? 19, 8, 28. You see, this is this. What? 19828. So the black line. So as I'm not interested, as the data I have right now is indicating that we are moving towards the upside, I can only project standard deviations towards the upside, if that makes sense. It does not mean the price is going to come to the towards that point, but as we are moving up, yes, it that can be used as a framework generally, but don't get fixated on the target. So ये हमारा buying zone है और हम लोग ये देखो ये देखो. I would have been riding all of this trend, bro. First row I would have closed this trade here, and on the retest I would have bought here, but like fuck it, bro. Shit happens. Am I gonna chase it? No, fuck no. Will I get another trade within 30 minutes? Yes. So that's the main criteria for me not getting into FOMO, because I definitely know that I'll get a setup. Okay. So you see how perfect this was? See how perfect everything was? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, this can turn itself into a fake out if we move below this point, retest this box, then I'm gonna try to buy it again. We'll see. Guys, complete at least 8 likes. 8 people are watching this video and only 6 likes. Is everything not perfect? Is it not free? Is it costing you anything? So, okay, if we take a standard deviation of this point, first area of interest is 629. Don't get fixated on the target because we just opened up. So that's, you should have it on your chart. These highs, the multiple highs, 630, 630, 630, 630. These two relative equal highs or general highs, right? You should have it on your chart. The next one would be a standard deviation of where we move down. So 700, 630 and 700 should be on your chart. Ahmed, if you're watching it for the first time, the people who watch me every day, what they witnessed, I'll show you what they witnessed every day. What they witness every single day. Okay. Ahmed, this was our Thursday criteria for the buying zone. Okay. I mentioned I'm not allowed to go short. This is a buying zone. How perfect this was. Okay. We come back to last Friday, to this point. See how precise and perfect this was. Friday. Okay, let's go back to all of these streams are on my channel and I called it live, like as I'm doing right now. So this was Monday, yesterday. A lot of people lost a lot of money here yesterday, right? Because it was really hard. Okay, this was the criteria as we move above this white lines. Okay, and the today's criteria, this was. So overall, basic thing is that I'm not allowed to go short. I cannot go short. No shorts. If I were to frame a trade towards the upside, where will I buy it? That's the $1 million question. So the question is, the answer is 532, 514. Okay, what if I buy it here? Where will my stop loss be? Now check this out. Where will my stop loss be? Below this point. So can I risk 40 points? If I risk 40 points, what will be my lot size? My lot size would obviously decrease, right? I cannot risk a lot of big lots on 45 points. That's a lot of points. So that was the criteria that's first. Yeah, if we move above this blue box, I'll try to buy it again from this point because my stop loss was tight at this point, right? So risk to reward ratios with in terms of longs, no shorts at all. As for now, no shorts. As long as we are above this green box or these two white lines, I'm not interested in shorting this, bro. I'm just waiting for it to come back down for me to be basically interested in getting longs, nothing else. Okay, so this might as well be a fake out. So let's see, where can I buy it again? 530, 519, 530, exact 530. This is the point in 519. Okay, 530, a little, give me something more, give me something more, and a validation. 530, exact 530. 530 was good, but let's get to exact 530. Yes, it will break out, then it will make you feel like a fake out, then it's gonna move to the breakout. So that's also a narrative, because I'm not allowed to go as using an axiom as a base of not going shorts. I can make all the cases for the bulls. Even if it becomes a fake out, I'll try to buy it again, hoping that the fake out is a fake out, and then we break out. Wow, wow, wow. To short or to not short? Not to not short, to not short. Okay. Okay, let's risk something. Let's risk something. Short. The new 15 minutes. It can. I need some sort of validation. Okay, let's use this as a validation criteria for me. This can be a risky trade, but I'm going to take it. 57. If you move above 57, I'll put my stop loss below the low of the previous candle. Okay, so if we directly give a breakout again from this point, so that's the first criteria. The other criteria is if we come back to this point and give me validation, then I'll try to buy it again. So these are the two cases I'm watching, but only for the cases of longs. Only for longs. No shorts. No, 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 no. No shorts. Ten 17. We have about 2017. Yes. $12 till the 15 minutes close. So on a 15 minutes time frame, watch how we traded this wick. Not basically, yeah. Okay, this area can be used as a floor if we move above, but I don't know why I don't really trust this, but still can be used because it's relevant now. 557. Damn it, dang it. Okay, let's. Oh God, why did I get like? Why my position? I'm just risking 5 points, bro. So a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio is already done. Pow, 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 pow. And I should have like. Why my fill is so fucked, bro? And I'm out. Damn it. My fill was really bad. Yeah, it was a fake. I was just risking 5 points. It's not a big deal, bro. So, chillax, chillax. Uh, if we come back to 532, 532, 520, 532, 520, 20. Can I try it again? Or can I? Then I ask myself, why am I so eager to buy it? Can we come back? Ooh. Not gonna try it again. One paper cut is enough. Now it's gonna go. Everything is out of sync for me today. I'm right about everything, but still, why I don't know why I'm getting paper cuts. It's gonna come back. Okay, that's nice. Come back to 475.8. 475.8. 475.8. It's too much. Let's see. 48, bro. 48, 48. Let's see. We're back in the opening range. Ooh. Ooh, that was fast. Okay. 32, 36. Now I can buy it. But at 20. I need some confirmation. Need some good confirmation. Watch how the price is reacting to my blue box. Blue box. Okay. That was the breakout. I need someone or them or the market makers to make you believe that it was a fake out. So I need some sort of violence. I can still do without the violence, but still, as long as we are going up, I'm buying it. Okay, that was the breakout line. Move below this line would be amazing. Then I'll try to buy it here from here. 520. Okay, let's check 520. 20. Okay, why is it reacting to this point? Ooh, we come back to 520 now. It still seems like a good as breakout. I want to. Oh no. Is it still good to go? Not really. Yes, it's all uptrend, but I need good validation. You see this? These three candles. Six minutes till the 15 minutes close. Another volatility increase. 30 minutes will close. We'll see a volatility spike. Ideally, if we move above the white line, that would be nice. That would be really nice. Now, like basically now, move above the white line, that would be really nice. Before the 30 spike, volatility spike would be really nice. Ooh. We got a validation. Move above. That's nice. Ooh, 25. We have still 5 minutes. We are moving above. Ooh, that's nice. Really fucking nice. Okay. Damn it. Okay. Stop loss below 540, 54. How many points will that be? I may take a lot of paper cuts. 16. To trade or to not trade. Let's wait for another 4 minutes, or should I front run it? Should I front run it or should I wait for 4 minutes? That's a good question. Okay. Should I close it? Should I wait for 4 minutes or should I enter it now? That's a conundrum. Because if I were to trade it, I would have put my stop loss below this line. So it's better to not trade it. Yep. That's nice. Here we have 3 minutes till the 30 minutes close. To close or to not close. We have 2 minutes. I'm in a middle state. I'm in the middle of FOMO and I'm a little bit hesitant because we have within 3 minutes we'll get a lot of spike in volatility, right? So before the spike, if we move up Should I chase it? To chase it or to not chase it? 14. If I were to risk, I will risk 17 points. 17 points, how many? 17 points, I'll easily get 17 points. But I should wait. That's what I should do. There are a lot of things that I want to do, but I think I should do the things I'm supposed or should do. So definitely want to buy this. Let's just go 2 minutes wait, then we'll go. Last minute. Hey, all is well. If you're watching this stream, or you're not, are you here? If you're here, so तुम्हें तो बिटकॉइन के ऊपर 1000 पॉइंट 2000 पॉइंट मिला है. You should have entered on the Bitcoin trade. I've given you 2000 points on that. You better be in it, bro. Thank God. Got in the volatility spike. It was I don't look how ugly this chart looks, bro. Alright, boys. I'll see you next time. If you have any questions, I can ask me. The first hour is basically closed. I'm gonna close the stream. So okay. So just for a recap, all is well. My brother, I told you about this point on Bitcoin. This was the buying zone. You better be in this trade. You have asked me for this trade for a very long time. So what 58,000 to 60,000, what 2,000 points on this. So हमारा ये criteria था. Do you use Telegram? Yes, I do, brother. Okay, so the next criteria for what was the criteria on US dollar? This was the criteria on the US dollar, right? Remember, I've given you this criteria for like a month or two before. So we watch how the price is reacting to this point. Nifty, what about on gold? Okay, boys, you remember this point on gold 502? This was with thick precision. I said no shorts, so what's left? Does anyone remember crude oil? WTI. All of these things I don't know if you have taken the trade on these or not, but WTI, US oil, I think it's a US oil or WTI. You remember this white line? Does anyone remember this white line? Okay, guys. This was the position trade. If you remember this point, you're up, should be up 4-5 points on WTI. Okay, boys. See you next time. If you have any question, you can ask me. I'm gonna leave now. Let's check this one more time. Then I'm gonna leave. Oh, it's gonna go now. Ooh. IEX कैसा होगा, समझा नहीं मैं आपकी बात। क्या कहना चाहते हो मेरे दोस्त बब्बे? IEX स्टॉक इंडियन मार्केट का स्टॉक है या नैस्डैक का है या डाउ का है? कौन से एक्सचेंज का है की बात कर रहे हो? ऐसे स्टॉक्स मत बाय किया करो, इंडिया का स्टॉक है यार, ऐसे मत इंडेक्सेस बाय करो यार। अगर लॉन्ग टर्म में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो अलग बात है। ओके, लेट्स वॉच हाउ द प्राइस विल रिएक्ट टू दिस पॉइंट। ओह, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग, दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग। लेट्स जस्ट try another trade, then I'll leave. 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22. Same for 22. Ah, what the fuck, bro? 22.8. यार इंडिया का स्टॉक है ऐसे, पता नहीं यार, मेरे से कल पूछना, मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा, एनालिसिस करके बताऊंगा। ऐसे बाय मत करो यार। मैंने अच्छा किया, आई डिडंट बॉट इट राइट हियर, दैट वाज अ वेरी वाइज डिसीजन। आई वाज वेटिंग, आई वाज really in a fucking FOMO to buy it here before the closing, so thank God I didn't, right? It, hmm. let's just 22.7, 22.7. Okay. Okay, it's gonna chop up for some time. That's, see this point. This and this is an indication of a chop, but overall, even if I'm gone, do not short this. Do not short this, bro. Okay, bro.